Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week, I'm going to give you the best laptops you can use for auto mechanics. You guys that fix cars, diesel trucks, whatever, auto mechanics. Here's my best choices for you guys this year. Well, last year and this year again, the Panasonic Toughbook CF33 is my top choice. This unit is fully rugged. It is a 2-in-1. So basically this screen pops off and you can walk around like a tablet. Batteries are in here. It has dual batteries. It comes with all the ports that you would expect to have as an auto mechanic. Everything from USB to 9-pin serial to USB-C as well. And it is fully rugged. You can connect broadband to it. It has Bluetooth. You can get GPS in these things. So it is my top choice. Now, if your budget's a little higher, I would also suggest that you think about, let me grab it over here, the Panasonic ToughPad FZG2. Now, this is one of Panasonic's flagships right now. And this basically is the same idea where this screen pops off and you have the keyboard behind it and you can use the tablet. What I like about this is you still have all the ports that you come to expect for your use, like USB, HDMI out, all that good stuff. But this Toughbook comes with X-Pack upgradability. So if you look on the bottom, you have little areas where you can put additional upgrades. So this is an X-Pack area here. You would just unscrew 3 screws. You could pop in another port. Let's say you need another USB port. You could buy the X-Pack upgrade to pop in there to give yourself that USB port. Also, the hard drive is easily removed. So although the screen may be a little smaller than the FC or the CF33, the FZG1 comes with that i5 11th gen processor, so you're getting a little more horsepower, but the screen's going to be a little smaller. Just depends on what you're going to use. You also are going to have a bigger budget to get one of these things. Now, if rugged is good, I mean rugged is good, if you're not doing a lot of greasy, dirty, grimy work, my best choice for semi-rugged, of course, is the Dell Latitude 5430. You wouldn't bang it around as much, although it is well built. It's only semi-rugged. It's a nice choice if you're just tuning cars and you're doing no serious vibrational work or heat, hot and cold, and that sort of thing. So those are the 3 laptops I'm thinking for 2026 for you auto mechanics. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys next week.